When everything feels important, it can be hard to know where to start. You may feel overwhelmed and stuck, unsure what task to tackle first. But prioritizing is key to managing your time and energy well. Here are some simple steps to help you prioritize even when everything feels urgent. First, make a list of all your tasks. Write down everything you need to do, no matter how big or small. Getting everything out of your head and onto paper or a screen helps you see the full picture clearly. Next, identify deadlines and due dates. Some tasks have fixed deadlines while others don't. Mark which tasks must be done soon and which have more flexibility. Deadlines give you a natural way to rank tasks by urgency. After that, evaluate the impact of each task. Ask yourself, which tasks will make the biggest difference if I complete them? Or which tasks will bring me closer to my goals? Focus on tasks that have high impact or consequences. Now try using a simple method like the Eisenhower Matrix. This divides tasks into 4 groups. Urgent and important. Do these first. Important but not urgent. Schedule these for later. Urgent but not important. Delegate if possible. Neither urgent nor important. Consider dropping these. This helps you decide quickly where to put your energy. If you feel stuck between multiple important tasks, try the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it right away. This clears small things fast so you can focus on bigger tasks. Also, learn to say no or delay less important tasks. Saying yes to everything can overload your schedule and reduce focus. Protect your time by prioritizing what matters most. Finally, remember to review and adjust your priorities regularly. New tasks come up and situations change. Taking a few minutes daily or weekly to reassess helps you stay on track and reduces stress. In summary, prioritizing when everything feels important means listing all tasks, checking deadlines, judging impact, and using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix. Take small actions like the 2-minute rule and don't be afraid to say no. With these steps, you can focus on what truly matters and move forward with confidence.